Alright, today we have a crazy windy day. You can see the flags are straight out, stiff as can be. The worst part about riding a scooter is like you try to be courteous and stay to the right, and then, like, I don't know if you can see that in my mirror there, but then people get right up on your butt and they don't go around you. Go around me. Like, I'm trying to give you room to go around me and you don't do it. And then it's wet out, so then I got to slow way down because I'm not going to have this thing slide out from under me on the turn. And it's like, you know, go around me. Like right here is the perfect opportunity to go around me. I'm staying to the right, staying to the right. They don't go around me. Whatever. But it is Saturday. And everyone's in a hurry on the weekend. Woo! I gotta get to go somewhere where I'm going nowhere. Yeah. And then, like I said, it's like 35-mile-an-hour wind. So it's slowing me down. Like, I'm going 33 miles an hour right now in a 35-mile-an-hour zone. And it's slowing me way down. See the leaves kicking, whirling. Trying my best just to keep it on the road. Sometimes you get a gust and it'll blow the scooter. Like, this scooter weighs a couple 100 pounds, but still, the wind's kicking, it'll still blow me. Move me sideways, so I don't try to get right on the white line, but you know, I just try to be courteous. Then I got two cars behind me, right on my butt. This person's been on my butt for 2 roads now. And they're not going around me, so whatever. You don't go around me, then that's not my problem. They'll get to go around me up here. Gotta go into the Target on the way to work. Grab some water. Clear, 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 clear. The Target's right up here on the right. Woo! And that's what I call a pick maneuver. When I pull out and I see another car coming, so the car has been on my butt the whole way, has to stop. That's called a pick maneuver, people. And I get great pleasure out of my pick maneuver. You know what's crazy is what they paint on the roads there. The white sign, the little white arrows, and the white stopping lines. Those things get crazy slick when they get wet, believe it or not. Next time you're at a stoplight in your car, pull up, kick your foot out the door, and wipe your foot on it. It's crazy slick. Alright, I'm at the Target. Get some more tire. A crazy busy scene at the Target on a Saturday. And we're out of here. Have to head to work to do the circle jerk. And by circle jerk I mean make pizzas. And the wind is kicking. Like, I mean, look at this. This is what I was talking about. This feels like ice. Like, especially when it's wet like this. I mean, it's like ice. It is crazy dangerous on 2 wheels, man. And I don't think most people even realize it. Unless you are on 2 wheels, then you probably realize it or have experienced it. But it is straight up slick like ice. I mean, are you picking a lane? God, you're crazy, man. Everyone's in a hurry to go nowhere. Must make it to the next red light. I feel raindrops, people. Line of thunderstorms coming at us. Crazy November weather. I'm in a hurry to get to this stoplight. Ah, it's the mad rush of people. People everywhere. People here. People there. It's a crazy place we live in. This guy's hoping for some love, and he might find it from me. I don't know, we will see. Just another day in pizza dice, people. Traffic on a Saturday afternoon. Everyone's out and about. Thanksgiving is this Thursday. Going to get their turkey. Going to get it good. I'm just not even going to make eye contact. No, no. Oh, she let him out. She let him out. Here we go, people. Here we go. Oh, man. Gotta hurry up and hit her brakes. Hurry up, hit her brakes. Road rage 101. I don't know if you can see it. The city's off in the distance on the horizon. You probably can't see it on this GoPro, especially with the wide angle. What's this guy doing? Waiting across the street? Huh. Pretty sure it's not a bus stop. The madhouse that we call civilization. I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry. I'm looking at my cell phone and I'm in a hurry. Sorry. Sometimes the ranting has to be done. This red truck coming up on my right, he's ready to roll. Oh my God, just run that blatantly. Jesus Christ, man. Oh my God, that was an obviously illegal maneuver. On that note, I'm going to sign out of this video. I'll catch you in the next one.